Let's read the story. Milo looked worried. I can't find my homework, he said. Lola asked, did you check your bag? Milo opened it. Oh no, I had left my homework on the desk at home. Kiko thought for a moment. Don't worry. You had finished the homework before class yesterday, right? Milo nodded. Yes, I had worked on it all evening. Suddenly, Momo smiled. I remember. You had put the homework in your English book. Milo opened the book. There it is. Finally, Milo relaxed. I had been worried for nothing. The monkeys laughed.